10/27 on October 1st, 2023. And everyone just turned into Mac Road with the intent, let's see what's around the corner. It's a fucking line. Look at that beautiful thing. And we're before the gates open. If you don't know already, my name is Kevin G Nicholson, and I am the host of this YouTube channel, which is typically dedicated to art, comedy, music, acting. Today, it's about the Connecticut Renaissance Faire, where you can get all of it. I'm so spoiled. I'm so spoiled. I am excited because I have 4 batteries. I don't think I'm running out of juice today. The fact that everyone's, you know what I mean, just chomping at the bit because this is a great place. It's gonna be a glorious day. See, things are starting already. These blossom. If it isn't the Norfolk Theatricals. Well, that's glorious to see you today.
It is also the only one in the town that has been labeled as both disgusting and despicable, and I would be very, very proud of that fact.
Oh, my lady. That's not down. Midway, midway.
It looks like the sun is starting to break through the mist. Yes, I've done this before.
Good day, gentle.
Princess? I've had that problem.
And it's yellow. I have something for it. Wait.
Bobbin-day, that's one.
It's the best color.
I disagree, but I can see your point.
But you were wearing yellow.
Well, that is because yellow is an accent color.
I disagree, they make it a bad personality.
So, well, I have both of them.
Exactly.
I think you
The
need
yellow
them.
complements the blue. Blue really stands forward.
I disagree. I cannot, in good conscience.
But is it because Beauregard Cribbin so excellently compliments you?
Exactly, that's why I keep them wrapped.
Oh, that's how it works.
Or are you saying that the blue helps support the yellow? The blue is underneath the yellow pad.
A director alone upon the stage is not a play name.
That was true.
But you have blue upon your
Exactly, we are a
lining.
hero. It is because we get along so well, Bob.
How does Barker look into this then?
Well, Barker is represented by the red of the pouch.
Oh, and furthermore, both red and blue have gone into my little friend, and then is surrounded by a crest of gold. Much symbolizing here.
Where is Lawrence? There he is.
Barker, do attend the stop sign, boys. Traffic safety.
Abide by the law.
Excellent.
So we are having a discussion about the colorization of yellow and red together. Oh, sorry, yellow and blue. But you have yellow upon your chapeau.
They
You have
all,
no blue upon your
the
chapeau.
yellow one, for Beauregard Cribbin is the centerpiece, around which there's
And you have no blue upon your person
natty blue.
to match that of
Right.
or
See,
blue or black.
the only color that all of us have in common is gold for Beauregard.
So fine. Do you see this? That they all have gold upon them.
Right. In his chapeau,
I also do.
in his cloak, and my person.
I'm the blue one.
Hello, I'm the fourth blue.
And yet, this. with just this one small move, I introduce blue into all of us. Lawrence, take forth this.
Most wondrous.
Oh.
Aye,
Now we all three are connected.
aye.
The tether.
Wait, do you have red corn? Oh, you have a feather.
Of course I've got
Red corn catnip.
Hoppinger.
I am one of them. I have all three colours as well.
Tis time for the theatricals to rehearse, methinks.
Aye, a performance, I think, should be in order. Now, of course, we the Norfolk Theatricals can perform any play at all. It matters not to us, for we have reached a level of skill that is unbeknownst to man. And therefore we can produce any play, for we have rehearsed them all.
Every play that has ever been written, we are proficient in its performance.
And so say,
Someone give us a play.
a play.
I spy ones who may perhaps be learned in the...
Romeo and Juliet died it here.
This means
Silly, huh?
Did I get in?
well played.
But I don't think of remembering. Good,
Are you
but
in the carriage?
close, but not exactly. Thank you, sword.
I'll try again next competition round.
I don't
I didn't hear you say he was filming. Because you were behind.
I'll audition again next time. You are very.
What?